Hi everyone, welcome. In our last lesson we began learning interrogative words in German, or question words. We learned when, which is wann. Notice the pronunciation, wann. So in this lesson we are going to learn the question word why in German. So how do you say why in German? Why is warum, warum, warum. Again, notice the pronunciation of the W, warum, warum. We also learned the verb gehen in the present tense, a very important verb, the verb to go. And these are the forms of the verb to go in the present tense. So we're going to combine the verb to go with warum to make up some examples. So if I want to ask you the question, why do you go, or why are you going? Remember, why is warum, and we're going to use the informal you, the du. So you go is du gehst. Remember, in the question we have to reverse the order. So putting it all together, warum gehst du? Warum gehst du? Why do you go? Why are you going? Warum gehst du? Why does he go? Again, warum, and he goes is geht, so reverse the order and put it all together. Warum geht er? Warum geht er? Why does he go? Why is he going? Warum geht er? Why do they go? Remember, they is sie gehen with a lowercase s. So gehen sie, and then warum in front of it. Put it all together. Warum gehen sie? Warum gehen sie? Why do they go? Why are they going? Let's look at some examples with some other verbs. To work, arbeiten. Why do you work? Du arbeitest. Reverse the order and put the warum in front of it. Warum arbeitest du? Why do you work? Why are you working? Warum arbeitest du? Warum arbeitest du? To wait is warten. Du wartest, you wait. Warum wartest du? Warum wartest du? Why do you wait? Why are you waiting? The verb kommen, to come. Du kommst. Warum kommst du? Warum kommst du? Why do you come? Why are you coming? Alright, that's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found it helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To continue learning German and go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. Bis bald.